Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine and staying at your home with study, isn't it? Okay. This is Halima Khatun, your religion teacher. In this crucial time, it is not possible to go to your loving school, but we can't stop our study. So let's start our new study. Dear students, you know the chapter is too long. That's why I have taken some main points to make understand you easily. Okay, and today's chapter number is 3 and page number 40 to 45. Okay, so chapter name is what? Al Akhlaq, means character, in Bengali Churitra. So at first we have to know what is Akhlaq. In Arabic, the beautiful conduct or good character is called Akhlaq. Good character is called praiseworthy character also. It gives us happy and beautiful life, and in Akhirah will give peace and happiness. For example, speaking the truth, nursing the sick, showing respect to the parents, behave well with neighbors. On the other hand, bad habit and nature are called bad character. This is very bad habit, bad things. So we should not do any bad deeds. For example, telling lies, greediness, misuse, slandering, etc. Here are some new words for you. Number 1 is greediness, that means লোভ করা. Misuse, অপব্যবহার, কারো সাথে অন্যায় আচরণ করা. Slandering, অপবাদ, and etc. means ইত্যাদি. Okay, about this Allah the Great say, you have indeed in the messenger of Allah a beautiful conduct. And about this, the great Prophet ﷺ said, true Muslims are those who have good character. So everyone, we should try to make our behave nice. Okay, try to do good deeds. Next point, to respect parents. Parents are our loving ones. Parents are the nearest and dearest one. They are our true friend. They sacrifice their all happiness to see us happy always. They bring up us with love and affections. So always we should take care of them. We must not angry or quarrel with them. Allah the Great say, you must address them in terms of honor. And great Prophet ﷺ say, paradise for a child lies at the feet of a mother. So we must respect and take care of our parents. Okay, next point, to honor the teachers. Do you love your teacher? Yes, of course, we everyone love our teachers. Teachers build us to be a real human being like our parents. They teach us to follow the right and honest path and refrain us from unjust, dishonest path. Look, here are some new words. refrain, that means বাধা দেওয়া বা বিরত রাখা, unjust অন্যায় অনুচিত, dishonest অসৎ পাথ পথ অথবা way. They are our near and dear ones who teach us. So we must respect them, say salam to them when we meet, and ask about their good or bad condition. What? Say salam to them when we meet them and ask about their good or bad condition if they need. So try to cooperate them. We will abide by their orders and admonitions. Admonitions means vidhi nishedh. We will pray to Allah for them. Next point, to honor the elders and love the youngers. We should respect and honor to the elders, say salam to them, behave well with them. We should abide by their orders and admonitions. And then next point, very important things, look, we have maximum, we have some helping hands at our home. Okay, so look what is written here. We have elderly servant at our home. We should honor them also, because they also are a human being. We should take care of our youngers. We will not disturb them. We will not abuse them. Give love and affections. The last topic or last point for today, to behave well with the neighbors. At first we have to know who are our neighbors. Those who live around us are called neighbors. Another things, co-passengers. Co-passengers of the bus, train, launch, steamer are also our neighbors. What is co-passenger? Co means shoho, passengers means jatri. Co-passenger means shoho jatri. When we travel one place to another by bus, train or launch, steamer, we travel alone? No. অনেক যাত্রী আমাদের সাথে থাকে, তখন তাদেরকে বলা হয় কি সহযাত্রী, যেহেতু আমরা একসাথে যাত্রা করি. So that they also, that means co-passengers also our neighbors. We will behave well with them. We will exchange greetings with them. If they are hungry, we will give them food also. The great Prophet ﷺ said, the man will not be a mu'min who eats with full belly, but his neighbor is hungry. So always we take care of our neighbors. Okay, dear students, no more today. I hope you will read the chapter thoroughly with the meaning, and from page 40 to 45. So stay fine. Allah Hafiz.